Have you ever heard of a movie called Bambi? It is a very special movie. It is about nature and growing with care. Let me tell you why it is so special. In Bambi, there is a wonderful world. This world is full of colors and feelings. Some characters are big. Some are small. But every one of them has a story. And every story has something important inside. This movie shows us something about nature and growing with care. What does nature and growing with care mean? It means caring about the people around us. It means being good, even when it is hard. That is a very important thing. Close your eyes for a moment. Imagine a place where everyone is kind. Imagine friends who help each other. That is the feeling of Bambi. It makes your heart feel warm. Many children around the world love this movie. Do you know why? Because it makes them feel happy. Because it makes them feel brave. And because it teaches about nature and growing with care. Here is something to remember. You do not need to be big to be kind. You do not need to be strong to be brave. You just need to care. Just like the characters in Bambi. Now it is your turn. Think about nature and growing with care in your own life. Who is kind to you? Who do you want to help? Maybe you can be like the characters in this movie. You can make the world a little better. That is the world of Bambi. A world of nature and growing with care. I hope you liked this story. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. And subscribe so we can tell you more stories. See you next time. Bye bye.